Hi everyone, so today's video is another hijab video and this one is zero effort, zero time, one pin. I would say zero but it's not. Yeah, so if you like this hijab style then carry on watching and find out how to do it. But before we start, I wanted to say this is the easiest hijab style ever. You literally just need one safety pin or one hijab pin or whatever you use, but this is how you do it. So I've folded my hijab into 1/3, I think. So I've got like this much fabric there, this much here, so it's like half and half, if you know what I mean. Otherwise it'll be too big. You could just do it however you like, but that's how much I have found works best. I'm going to put this much on this side, which is about up to just past my elbow. And then I'm going to just sort this out under my chin, and I'm going to fold it about 1 inch on each side and just pin it just under my chin. Not too tight, of course, because you don't want your double chin to pop out. So see how loose that is. It's not too loose that it's going to fall off, but it's not too tight that it's going to like push your chin forward. So then all I'm going to do is grab this and then pull all of the fabric up, leave about that much, and then I'm going to pull it over my face and then back and then around. And then I'm going to loosen it a little bit just so it feels comfortable, but you can do it however you like. So there, and that is basically done. These are basically the same length and it just looks kind of nice, like flowing, if you know what I mean. This is how I do my scarf when I have zero time and I want to use zero effort, don't want to find a pin, anything like that. And yeah, it's just so simple and easy, and you'll see me wearing this all the time. I will say that it's not very glasses friendly because it doesn't have like something to hide the sticks unless you put it under there, but then it just defeats the purpose. So that's it. See how it hides your double chin, like you've got this little thing to hide behind? I don't know. But yeah, this is how I do my scarf when I cannot be bothered. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!